Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to use Class Dojo avatars to create your own fake Pokemon character. The first thing that you want to do is go to your Gmail account. Look for the email that says avatars for creating your own Pokemon. You'll find an email from me that tells you what to do. You can scroll down and see all of the avatars that are made available to you in your Gmail account. Click on one. Scroll through and find one that you like. I'm going to decide to use this character here. The next thing I do is drag my character over to Google Drawing and drop it here. Notice that it is too large, so I'm going to resize it, not from the middle parts because look how distorted it looks. I'm going to drag it up from the bottom corner. Drag it and place it right under the arc. Use those red lines to help you make sure that it is centered. Then, the next step is to add other little things to your character. Go to Insert, Image, search on Google, and start looking for a few different things that you'd like to add. I'm going to look for hair bow. The most important thing for you to do is add the letters PNG at the end. This will make sure that you have a transparent background. I'm going to decide to use this hair bow. Click Select. Of course, it's a little too big, so I'm going to drag it and change it up. The next thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to look for something else to add. Maybe I look for purse. Okay, maybe she'll use this one. And then I just resize, and I can turn it a little bit. The next thing I need to do is look over here to the left and follow the direction. It says type your combat power. Now, if you are not a Pokemon Go player, you might not know what combat power is. Click this link for help. Now, I'm at my house creating this right now, so I don't know if this link will work at school because of the words Pokemon Go. In the event that the school district has blocked this website, I am going to make sure that I have a version set up for you to actually look at. Combat power, and it tells you how well that particular Pokemon will perform in battle. I am not a Pokemon Go player, so I don't know much about this. I just know what I've read. Correct me if I'm wrong here, but I can put a number here. The higher that number is, the stronger your Pokemon is in battle. I'm going to say that she is a level, or her number is 689. We'd have to do some research to determine how strong that is. That could be super weak. So you Pokemon Go pros, let us know. Then it says choose your type of Pokemon. So what kind of character is this? If this site is also blocked, I am going to make sure that you have access to this information. It is very helpful. So these are all the different types of Pokemon. So there's normal Pokemon, and it's weak against the rock, ghost, steel. It's resistant to ghosts. It's vulnerable to fighting. There's the poison Pokemon. It's strong against grass and fairy, ghost. You can use this, or you can just create your own. It doesn't really matter. It's yours. You can do whatever you want. So for me, I'm going to call mine, and you know what? I'm even going to decide to make my font a different color. I'll give my Pokemon's type. So I'm making her a shopping Pokemon. I will type her weight in pounds. She is going to weigh 5 pounds. So she's a tiny little thing. So I'm going to copy my font over here, paste it here, and then I'm going to type her weight, 5 pounds. Then the next thing I want to do is type her weight in inches. Notice I just copied and pasted my font over here. So, or her height in inches. Her height for me, I'm going to make it be 6 inches tall. And I'm going to make sure this is centered up. So that's essentially it. And then after you've typed in the combat power, you've created your Pokemon, the type of Pokemon, you can even, the next thing that you need to make sure that you do is give your Pokemon a name. I'm going to call her, I'm just going to call her, I really don't know, to be honest with you. I think I'll call her, she has a bow. Let's call her Bowie. How terrible is that? Okay, so I'm going to call her Bowie. I'm going to put her name right here in the center. I'm going to increase the font size. I might even change this to darker because that pink was hurting my eyes a little bit. So there she is, Bowie. She's a shoposaurus. She weighs 5 pounds. She's 6 inches tall. Then down here at the bottom, and I'm not going to waste your time typing all this information in. I left this here for anybody who needs it. They're not sure what to type. All you have to do is fill in the blanks. If you're someone who says, I don't like the way you wrote Mrs. Leonardo, I want to have my own spin on my Pokemon, I want to write it in a different way, you go right ahead. as long as you answer all these questions over here. But that's essentially it. Hopefully this has been helpful for you. If you have any questions whatsoever, let me know. I'll be more than happy to help you. Good luck!